Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some Domino's pizza. I have, I think this is, well, I have to see. This is the chicken parmesan sandwich. Hopefully it's not as crusty as last time when I got the chicken and bacon sandwich. That it looks crusty basically. Let me see. Yeah, it's crusty and burnt basically almost. And I have just some regular chicken Alfredo pasta. Wow. Dang. Living in quality, bro. All this stuff is freaking nasty these days. Or nasty looking sometimes, but it'd be good, but nasty looking. Burnt. The heck is this? I really don't know what's going on here. And I have a pepperoni pizza. This is like this brand is head extra. Wow. It reminds me of school pizza, like when I was in elementary, but I used to like that, which is strange. But that's what it tastes like. Weird. I really want some ranch, but I don't feel like getting up to get it. Yeah, might as well. Yeah, I have to go get some ranch. They know they wrong with this dang pizza. Everything is burnt. I don't know. I don't think this passed the quality score. Or if they say, crap, I don't want it to get on all my pizza because I might end up eating this up. Yeah, it didn't taste so good with ranch. Yeah. Nah, it tastes so good with ranch. forgot. My dang alarm and stuff. And I also will be drinking this IZZE drink, whatever. This is like the third drink that I tried for them so far. The sparkling mango. Pretty good. Well, their brand overall is pretty good that I've tasted so far. And it's low in calories. This is only 90 calories so called. Right? Sound like soda. Thinking it's really soda. Yeah. Better. Dang, it really feel like this piece is like extra burnt, but at the bottom it feel like it didn't cook it enough. Weird. Hey, interesting. I don't think I wanted my pizza well done. I don't know if that's a such thing, but yeah. Everything is slipping. Like, every time I actually get something to eat, it's always BS. And then when I cook stuff, it's like, I don't like my cooking. I try new people's stuff and it be like horrible. Like, I don't know. I do not like anything at all. I haven't had something that was like, that's good, but I just like the simple things like Raisin Cane or like even Chick-fil-A or even Chipotle. I've been liking them more, like, or just Chipotle. I just started eating them again. But yeah, just Raisin Cane and just basically Raisin Cane. I eat a lot lately. It's like weird ever since I like had the surgery or whatever. I just been like more liking them. I don't know why. This stinks. What the hell is this? Yeah. I don't think I can do this food anymore. Yeah, leg hurt. Mm. I don't even know what's going on. I really don't. I really don't know what's going on these days. Even when I try to eat healthy or whatever, it's like everything is like, for instance, the lettuce, like bad lettuce has been trash for me lately. And then, like, I don't know. I don't know what the heck. I just have to use, I guess, the regular head lettuce nowadays. Everything is trash. Carrots was trash. Celery. It don't seem like nobody in my area have good produce. Like Walmart, Target over here. They're alright or whatever, but I rarely go to them. I just do like drive-up orders and stuff like that, but I have a membership with Walmart for delivery, so I don't know. And then I used to do get Instacart stuff from like Kroger and stuff like that, but they're trash now. Well, yeah. Every time I get something from this specific Kroger store, like right down the street, it literally, like all the meat always be spoiled. It never fails. So I was like, what the heck? Stop going to them. I'm gonna save the rest of the 2 pieces. That's the only thing that's really edible. You already know. If I put this in a microwave, I can only put it in there for like 1 second. That's not gonna be edible. After that point, at least. The heck? 10 years later. Drink, I forgot. Trying to figure out what kind of mango juice this has in it. I just say it's apple juice, really. It tastes like a apple mixed with grapefruit juice type stuff. Weird. It's not even healthy. It's no percentage of juice in it at all. Just concentrate as usual. So, the heck? Can't even be healthy by drinking like bottled water and stuff. Just because of the whole bottles, being in bottles. Plastic bottles at that. Well, plastic bottles or whatever. Yeah. I'm out. I'll see you guys on the next video. This was a fail again. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for still watching me, and I'll see you guys sooner and later. Hopefully sooner.